Hey everyone, this is Daniel with Casey Splash. I just want to show off our new Beast rig. This is a part of our new fleet we're adding to our current one, and it's going to allow us to do commercial work at a faster rate than any of the competitors here in Kansas City. So this system allows us to do a surface clean and a back rinse at the same time. So it does that 2-for-1 in the same pass. So while most competitors are surface cleaning then rinsing, we're able to do it all in one go. So it means our times are going to be faster and we're going to get better results because we're using 34 gallons per minute. As well, we have this front rinse bar. It shows it's a 6-foot wide path and allows us to clear out parking garages and parking lots way quicker than any of the competitors. So this system right here, we're the only ones in the Midwest with something like this. No one else has it in about a 400-mile radius of Kansas City. And if you need commercial cleaning done faster, more efficient, and better than anybody else in Kansas City, give Casey Splash a call at 816-274-1560.